Let's talk about some other issues. Issues such as surveillance. Very often, insurance companies will put you under surveillance. Now, it's not our intention to make you paranoid, and we tell all of our clients, you always live a lawsuit around your life. You don't live your life around a lawsuit. But having said that, these insurance companies have been known to do some pretty dramatic and, quite frankly, some pretty nasty things. I had one case where they intentionally dropped money at this man who was a plaintiff in a lawsuit at his car, and then sat in a van and waited for him to come out, and then took video of him as he bent over picking up the money to show that he could bend his back. Again, juries are very suspicious, and sometimes these surveillance films completely destroy a case, even if they show the plaintiff doing things that we never said they couldn't do. Again, juries are conditioned to be very suspicious. So very few moments in time on a surveillance tape can be very, very devastating. So you need to be aware of that. Very often there are new injuries. What are new injuries? You're in another accident. It's not your fault. You're sitting at a stoplight and somebody comes and runs into the back of you. Again, it's important that you let us know that right away, because medically that can be managed so that it can be documented how much your injuries have been made worse by the new collision or the new injury, slip and fall, however it happens. But you have to let us know that, and we have to get you back into the doctor, who of course is the expert that can best tell the jury and show the jury through medical illustrations and medical records how your injury has been exacerbated by each mechanism of injury. Don't discuss your case with people. The more valuable your case, the more likely it is that people are going to be jealous of you. Very often people get mad, neighbors, friends, they want what they want, or they get jealous, or they want a piece of it, or they're just mad that it's not them that are in the spotlight. The point is, the best way not to have to explain away a comment that you made in the past is not to make the comment to begin with. Unless it's to us, your attorneys, or your doctors, just don't discuss your case. It's best not to. One of the questions that we get asked a great deal of the time has to do with working out. I've been an exercise freak my whole life. I go to the gym my whole life. I've been a runner my whole life. I love to run. That's one of the things that brings me joy. Should I go to the gym anymore? My doctor says that I should go to the gym and exercise, but I'm afraid they're going to have me under surveillance. What should I do? The answer is you have to be very, very careful. We're not going to suggest that you change your life other than it's already been changed. At the same time, understand that if an insurance company sends a private investigator into your gym and gets videotape of you lifting weights, which has happened to my clients before, it's devastating to your case. So you have to use your common sense. Again, doctors will tell you that you need to work out and exercise. At the same time, you have to be aware that most of the jurors that are going to be sitting in that jury pool, they don't exercise on a regular basis, and they're going to be asking themselves, how badly is this person really hurt when they go to the gym 3 times a week? Again, we're not telling you not to do it. We're telling you that we need to have the discussion on these issues because they're very important issues. And what could be really a very small collateral matter when it comes to trial of your case can play a very large role in how a jury determines your case.